episode. Ooh, it scared me too. This little sucker came to visit me. He's on my Bose headset. Wow, it's beautiful. It freaked me out a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what to do. I think I'm just gonna give it some space. I think it's listening to me. Yeah, so let me, okay, it's your world, dude. It's your world. It's, I have my phone plugged in. Where'd you go? Where you going? Look at this thing. Like, what? This is not a grasshopper, is it? What the fuck is this thing? Oh my God, what is this thing? It's huge. I thought it was maybe it's it's not a grasshopper because the legs are not long enough. Oh, maybe they are. It is a grasshopper. I think that's a grasshopper. Yeah. Wow. Look at him. Oh my God, the magic of nature. This is the coolest thing to watch. Beautiful. I cannot disturb it. So I think I'll just take my tea and go elsewhere. Wow, maybe it came to visit to tell me to move because I've been wanting to cycle on my bike a little bit. Wow, look at that beauty. I think it wants my strawberries though. You can't have my strawberries, but I will definitely leave you alone and give you some space. So enjoy your sunshine, and I'm just going to give you some space. Beautiful though, you guys. Look, it's so beautiful. Wow, look at this. That is a grasshopper, right? Wow, beautiful. I'm starting to wonder if this grasshopper is pregnant. Ooh. What the hell is this grasshopper doing? What the? Wait a minute, something's happening here. What are you doing? You guys, look at this. What is this? Wow. What is this grasshopper? What is this grasshopper? Oh my God. Okay. I had to film this again because I was so excited I could barely hear myself talk. I went on YouTube and I looked up pregnant grasshopper. This looks like a pregnant grasshopper. See, I'm getting excited again. I'm not going to refilm this because if I do, I may miss something. This grasshopper is pregnant. She's trying to find a place to give birth. Maybe I should just leave and just leave it alone. But if I miss this, I will hate myself. I will hate myself if I miss this. Stay tuned.